How to scan your PC for viruses using Windows Defender. In this video, I'll show you how to scan your Windows PC for viruses and malware using Windows Defender, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Windows Security. Then, click on Windows Security to open it. In the Windows Security dashboard, click on Virus and Threat Protection. To run a quick scan, simply click the Quick Scan button. Windows Defender will scan the most common areas where malware is usually found. If you'd like to perform a more thorough scan, click on Scan Options. Here, you'll see several scan types available. Full Scan checks your entire system for potential threats. Custom Scan allows you to choose specific files or folders to scan. Microsoft Defender Offline Scan restarts your computer and scans for malware that may be difficult to remove while Windows is running. Select the scan option that best suits your needs, then click Scan Now to begin. Once the scan is complete, Windows Defender will display any detected threats, along with the recommended actions, such as quarantining or removing them. That's it. You've successfully scanned your PC for viruses using Windows Defender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.